So today we are gonna find whether the given string is a binary string or not. Given a non-empty sequence of characters yes, return true if sequence is binary, else return false. So here the input is a string and the output is boolean, where it should return true if the sequence is binary, else it should return false. So what is a binary string? Binary string is a sequence of characters where each character should be of 0 or 1. It should not have any other values or any other letters. If you see the string, it only contains 1 or 0 in each of its characters. Whereas here it has 7 and 5, so this is not a binary string. So to solve this problem, uh, we need to take each character from the string and check whether that character is either 0 or 1. If it doesn't have 0 and 1, then it should return false. So first we need to loop through each character in this string, and then in Java string there is a built-in function called char at, where we can access the characters in the string using the index value with using that built-in function. First let's start the loop with the index value of 0, and this loop should run when the index value reaches the length of the string. This should not be equal to the length of the string, because this length will be calculated from 1, but the index starts from 0. So the actual end index should be the less than should be the length minus 1. But here we just given less than, so it just omits the final value of the length. So in each iteration we need to increment the index value by 1. Now we need to check whether the character of the index in the string is equal to 0 or 1. If for that we can use a char at built-in function. So we need to mention the string name and use dot operator and use the built-in function char at. Inside the parenthesis we need to give the index value, the current index values, and it should check. uh, we need to first check whether any of these characters doesn't have 0 or 1, because it will be easier. Uh, we can just, if any of this character is not 0 or 1, we can just straightly return false. We don't need to check the other characters in the string. In straight away we can return false for this one. So we need to check whether uh, the character at this index in the string is not equal to 0. We need to use the single quotation mark because we are accessing the characters, and the character in the string, it should be dot. should also not be equal to 1, then we should return false. If this loop runs uh, without returning false, then we can say that string is a binary string. So here we need to return true, where the loop ends and becomes out. Where the loop ends, we need to return true. Let's try to run this code. Yes, it worked. Thank you.